Watch this single piece of wire as it unbends from a square and reshapes into a circle. When you bend a wire into a new shape, the physical geometry changes, but the total length of the wire remains exactly the same. This exact physical property drives question 18 from the WAEC 2026 mathematics paper. We are given a square with a 22 centimeter side. The wire is rebent to form a circle, and we must calculate the new radius. Solving this doesn't require memorizing complex formulas. You just have to track one constant length across two different geometric outlines. Let's look at the starting shape. We have a square where every single side measures 22 centimeters. A common error is assuming 22 centimeters is the total wire length. It isn't. The wire forms the entire outline, or the perimeter. Since a square has 4 equal sides, we multiply 4 by 22. That gives us a total perimeter of 88 centimeters. Establishing the spaceline is the critical first step. We are working with exactly 88 centimeters of wire, no matter what form it takes next. This scale shows our constant length rule in action. The perimeter of the original square is perfectly equal to the circumference of the new circle. The distance around a circle is its circumference, so we take the standard formula, 2 pi r, and set it equal to our 88 centimeters. Do not use pi r squared here. That formula calculates the flat, solid area inside a circle. Our wire only forms the hollow outer boundary. Equating the physical wire directly to the concept of circumference is the logical leap needed to build our equation. Now we solve for the radius. The exam instructs us to use 22/7 for pi, so we substitute that directly. To keep the equation clean, simplify the numerator first. 2 times 22 gives us 44r/7 equals 88. Pause the video for a moment. Try isolating r on your own using standard fraction rules. Here is the step-by-step breakdown. Multiply both sides by 7 to clear the denominator. Then divide both sides by 44. Notice how 88 divided by 44 cancels cleanly into a 2. 2 times 7 gives a calculated radius of 14 centimeters. Looking at the exam options, that confirms option A is correct. Understanding the geometry gets you the equation, but executing careful, methodical algebra secures the points under pressure. Let's test this in reverse. A circular wire with a 7 centimeter radius unbends to form a square. First, find the wire length. 2 times 22/7 times 7 resolves to 44 centimeters. That 44 centimeter perimeter divided by 4 gives an 11 centimeter side length. The sequence does not matter. The rule holds completely steady whether the wire starts as a square or starts as a circle. To summarize wire reshaping, equate the original and new perimeters. For a square to circle shortcut, the radius equals 2 times the square side divided by pi. You can find thousands of categorized past questions just like this at QandAHelp.com. It is the most effective way to prepare for your WAEC, JAM, and NECO examinations. Focus on mastering the underlying principles rather than memorizing individual steps. Subscribe to the channel for more technical deep dives and keep practicing.